you've stumbled upon TideXCO and .com recently and thought, wow, this looks like a solid crypto exchange, you're definitely not alone, but you might want to hold off before jumping in. At first glance, the platform presents itself as a fully functioning crypto exchange with big-name tokens like Ethereum, Solana, and Binance Coin front and center. The interface looks modern, the features seem well laid out, and they even flaunt security compliance buzzwords like ISO certifications, SOC2, and PCI DSS. But once I started peeling back the layers, things got sketchy fast. First off, the domain was just registered on May 13, 2025, literally days ago, which is alarming for any platform claiming to be a secure and reliable exchange. A newly registered domain in this space is a major red flag, especially when it's paired with bold claims and no history. Digging deeper, their website design immediately felt familiar, because it's almost identical to scam platforms like YAG Token and Gefficoin, both of which have been exposed in the past. It's like someone copied the layout, changed a few names, and relaunched it under a new domain. That's a tactic we've seen again and again with crypto scams. Then there's their list of so-called partnerships. Heavy hitters like Andreessen, Horowitz, and Paradigm are name-dropped with zero verifiable proof. No press releases, no logos on the partner sites, nothing. For a platform that claims to be aligned with such massive firms, the complete silence from those firms is very telling. Even when I searched across forums, social media, Reddit, and Trustpilot, I couldn't find a single real user review, not one. It's like this platform popped up out of nowhere and is pretending to be something it's not. Look, I'm not here to tell you it's 100% a scam, but let's be real. It checks nearly every box: brand new domain, fake security claims, stolen design, false partnerships, and no reputation or user feedback. Those aren't small issues, those are the exact traits of many platforms that disappear with your money overnight. So before you invest even a single dollar into TideXCO and .com, take a deep breath and think, does this platform really deserve your trust? In a world where crypto scams are getting more sophisticated every day, staying cautious isn't just smart, it's necessary.